Hello, welcome to the channel. On this video, I'm going to show you guys the solution if you're facing your laptop, PC, Windows 10 or 11 flickering on the screen. So commonly it happens in software, but if it doesn't from the software, you must go to your service center. Maybe take a week to repair it, but commonly it only from software. So first thing you have to do, it happened to me. You go to display settings, and then you try to adjust your brightness, since I don't know, some brightness cause flickering on your laptop. So I will adjust it, not 0, but try to between 0 into 10, and use normally your laptop is still flickering, do another steps. So after that you go to this, if it still persists, you go to this advanced display, and then you can lower your refresh rate into 60 or 48. Perhaps your screen is on a high rate of frequency refresh rate, it causes a clash on the software. So I suggest you use the 60 only, and then you try to restart your computer. And then after that, if it still persists the issue, you go to update your where is it, device manager, update your driver. But it commonly doesn't happen, since nowadays all the display already update automatically. For me, I'm using Intel UHD 620, and then just update driver and then search automatically, and then that's it. That's 3 steps if you're facing your laptops is flickering. If it still persists, I suggest you to go to the service center. Perhaps your hardware is the problem. Thank you for watching. I hope it's helpful for you. If it does, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.